Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos, 164 tuned cars and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have another additional in my collection, and I just ordered this in a uh, local store, and uh, it landed today in my place. It's already delivered to me guys, and okay, it's a brand new. It's a 2003 release of Choro guys. We will unbox it. Okay. So anyway guys, this is a ASL Garaiya uh, uh, sports car. Okay, again, it's a ASL Garaiya sports car. So it's a concept car. So in real life guys, it's a mid-engine concept sports car developed by ASL, the car manufacturing arm of Autobac 7. Featured also the suicide door, just like the Lamborghinis guys. So we will unbox it guys. Still it's brand new. Okay, and last, the upper part guys. Okay, so this is a brand new old stock guys. I think this one is 2003 release guys, so it's 22 years old by now guys. It's in passion orange guys. The color is passion orange. Detailed headlights guys, as you can see. Detailed front bumper and grille with a logo on the hood guys, and a painted wiper on the windshield. The headlight, it's detailed also, as you can see guys. The wheels guys, it has another design. It's a factory design by the uh, company who made this ASL Garaiya guys. Then at the back guys, it has a detailed tail lights, red and a yellow amber color. And on the center guys, because it's Choro, it has a rear coin slot that it says Garaiya. Okay, and painted mufflers on the bottom of the coin slot guys. And then at the bottom guys, it has a see-through chassis, as you can see, and it says Choro Takara Co Ltd 80N02 made in China. And we'll check the doors. Can be open guys, just like the Lamborghini. Okay. Yes. How cool is that guys? So this one guys is, I already researched the Google. I think it's a limited edition ASL Garaiya standard size Choro, but for me it's a high grade because of the details guys. All of the details comes with this car. So for me it's a high grade and 10 out of 10. because it's a brand new, guys. Again, guys, this is a Choro Q 2003 release. It's a ASL Garaiya concept sports car in Japan, guys. So that's it. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.